Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am very excited because I get to unbox another Apple product. Cool, not cool for my bank account, not cool for what is happening in the world right now. As you guys already know, a year ago, I made the unboxing of the Airpods 2, which they're right here. They're good, they're working fine. Probably you're wondering why am I getting new Airpods if my Airpods are working fine. Question is, I live with a very loud family. I get headaches all the time because of them. And since these headphones have noise cancelling, then I can cancel them out, which is amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna start the unboxing because that's why you're here. Oh my god, that went in way too deep.
That's what she said.
How many minutes does it take to fucking do an unboxing? Here they are. I don't want to smell it because...
Coronavirus!
Oh my god. Okay, so before we get with the unboxing, let me roast this AirPods. Let me roast Apple real quick. It looks like a Pokemon. It also looks like Plant from Plant vs. Zombies. Now that we're done roasting my AirPods, let's get on with the unboxing. Whew. Let's do it. Oh my god. I'm gonna open them. I don't want them to fall. So let me try to open them carefully. This is taking way longer than expected. So something that you guys probably know is that you can get your AirPods engraved. So my AirPods say my name now. And here they are. Literally, you see my name right there? Nini X. There we go. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay, so these are like the different ear thingies that you can change it to. That's regular because these AirPods are different than the other AirPods. But it's so cool that they included the USB-C cable for the AirPods because I have a MacBook and the cable that came with my phone does not go in there. You know what I mean? They're so cold. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. That's fine. Oh my god, they're so shiny and pretty. Okay, I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna open them for you. I want to look at them, so I'm gonna open them right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so pretty. What the heck? I'm questioning things. I'm feeling things. Let's plug them. Let's plug them. Did I just say plug them? Let's connect them to my phone. Okay, so my phone is right here. Let's open them. Oh my god, there they go. And now we're gonna connect. Okay, so media control, blah blah blah. Okay, it's teaching me how to use the AirPods. I kind of know how to use them already because I've seen millions of videos on YouTube. So yeah, they're connected right now. Are they connected? Are they not connected? They are very small. Let me just give you a size comparison between Airpods Pro and regular Airpods. It's very different. They fit in perfectly. Okay, they're maybe a little loose. I'm gonna probably change the air tip later. Oh my god, it's a noise cancellation. Okay, so I changed to transparency and I can hear everything. My voice sounds a little robotic. I'm gonna turn everything off and it's like wearing regular AirPods. Now I'm gonna turn in noise cancellation again. And I can only hear myself talking. Oh my god. Okay, you can literally listen to every single thing in a song with this new AirPods. I'm excited. I got this cute little Mike Wazowski case for them. So I'm gonna put them in here. It's gonna cover the name because it says Nini X right here. So I should have thought of that and gotten a freaking clear case, but I didn't. But whatever, we're just gonna put them in here. That's basically it for the video. If you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, it is I am Nini X, and if you want to follow me on Twitter, it's this is Nini X. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more Apple stuff, I promise you can subscribe and be sure that I'm gonna unbox a million of other Apple products because I'm obsessed with Apple. And if you're not that into Apple and you're into other things, then I have Omegle videos, I have unboxings of other stuff, so you might as well go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching and bye.